back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Megan. Today we're going to be doing a tutorial on how to use clip-in extensions. I'm going to be using the Bellami Bellissima 220 gram 22-inch extensions in Mochaccino Brown. I've been using these for a couple years now. These are the same exact set. I don't wear them very often, but when I do, it's nice to be able to have a set of extensions and have them last for a long time. That's why I like the Bellami extensions. To curl my hair, I'll be using the Bellami 6-in-1 curler and the 1-inch wand. I also have really thick, natural, curly hair. So before I start doing my extensions, I make sure my hair is perfectly straight, and this tutorial will help girls with thick hair how to make sure their extensions blend. So keep watching. Alright, so going in with the wand and starting on the left side of my head, I'm going to place the wand and wrap the hair going toward my face. I'm going to keep my wand at about 450 degrees and hold each section for about 10 seconds each. Going in with the whole right side, I'm going to be pulling the hair away from the face. I don't do different directions like some people do. I like when all the hair goes the same direction. If you want to use your curler at a lighter degree, I would just make sure that you hold it a little bit longer so those curls stick, especially if you straighten your hair before you curl it. Alright, I'm going to start with the right side. I'm going to flip the curler with my hands. I'm going to actually hold it with my left hand and do the right side. Same exact concept, just spinning the hair away from the face. And keep going until you meet in the middle in the back there. I'm just going to brush through with my hands, kind of pull those curls apart. Now going with my extensions, I'm going to make sure I unclip all the pieces. I'm going to start with the 4-clip piece. I'm going to pretend and line it up to the back of my head so I understand what direction I'll be curling the hair in. So I'm going to face the clips away from my face. I'm going to start with curling the left side first and placing the hair in the back and spinning it around. So it would be going away from the face if it was clipped in the head. Doing the same thing on the right side. I'm going to do the same exact thing for the other 4-piece clip. Then going in with the side pieces, the 3-piece clips. I'm just going to go all the curls are going to go in the same direction for this. For the 2-piece, I'm going to do one going in the left side direction and one going in the right side direction. Going in with the smaller 4-clip piece, I'm going to line it up with about the tops of my ears, and I'm going to clip it in at the back center. If you did want to go a little bit lower, I would recommend doing about the middle of your ear. About right where your tragus would line up with the extension piece. Now going in with the larger 4-clip piece, I'm going to go a little bit higher than my brow bone, about the crown of my head, and I'm going to place that in the back as well, at the back center. Now going in with the left 3-clip piece, I'm gonna line it with just about my brow bone. It's going to be a little bit lower than that 4-piece up there on the crown of the head. And they should meet at the back there. That's normal. Same thing for the right side. Oops, got a little plastic there. Then going in with the 2-piece, I'm going to put it right there at the top. Kind of blends everything in the back. I'm going to go through, brush all the hair, the extensions, everything together. It's going to give you a little more volume and blend everything. Alright you guys, this completes the look on how to do clip-in extensions. Remember, you can use any type of clip-in extensions. Growing up, I used to always use the ones from the Sally Beauty Supply, the Remy ones. Those are a little bit shorter, but any extension works. But make sure you guys like this video and comment down below what you guys would like to see next, and make sure to subscribe. Bye!